Picture yourself on a beach, gazing at the infinite ocean before you. This reflects the boundless nature of our universe. Today, we embark on a captivating journey through the immense realms of space and time. The universe is overwhelmingly vast, far beyond our understanding. It houses billions of galaxies, each containing countless stars. But how do we quantify such staggering distances? Let's simplify it. We begin by using light years to measure distances in space. This unit represents how far light travels in a year, approximately 5.88 trillion miles. Next, we consider astronomical units, or AU, which is the distance from Earth to the Sun, roughly 93 million miles. The Milky Way galaxy spans around 100,000 light-years in width. That's an enormous distance. Our closest galaxy, Andromeda, lies over 2.5 million light-years away. To illustrate further, if the Milky Way were the size of a coin, Andromeda would sit over a mile away. The vastness of space is mind-boggling, and we are mere tiny specks within it. In conclusion, the cosmic scale reveals the vast distances in our universe. By using light years and astronomical units, we can grasp this enormity. Eager to delve deeper into our universe? Subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Imagine navigating through the cosmos, where time seems insignificant and distances are incomprehensible. As we delve further, reflect on the countless stars scattered across galaxies. Each could potentially host its own solar system. This infinite expanse not only exhibits the beauty of creation, but also challenges our understanding of existence. How do we uncover all this? Using advanced telescopes and technology, we piece together the remarkable puzzles of our universe, unveiling secrets that remained hidden for centuries. The more we discover, the more we recognize the vast unknown, fueling our passion for exploration and knowledge. As we observe the stars, consider the vast scale of our Milky Way, which contains roughly 100 billion stars. Each star serves as a symbol of possibility, with many likely hosting planets in their orbits. Imagine the multitude of worlds that may revolve around these distant suns, some potentially supporting life. Every new finding broadens our understanding and deepens our curiosity about what exists beyond. When we grasp these concepts, the universe evolves from mere dots of light into a vivid tapestry of potential, inviting exploration and comprehension. What marvels lie in wait on this journey? To traverse these expansive distances, scientists wield advanced instruments such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the forthcoming James Webb Space Telescope. These technological wonders let us delve deeper into the cosmos, capturing stunning images of far-off galaxies and revealing key insights into their development and evolution. As we gather this information, we not only deepen our understanding of the universe's history, but also uncover the fundamental forces that shape it. As we wrap up our exploration, we are reminded of our role in this grand cosmic landscape. Each small advancement in understanding distances brings us closer to unveiling the mysteries ahead. Join us on future adventures as we continue to uncover the wonders of the universe.